I really felt led to go into ministry because when I saw the church back home in India, I felt that leadership was one area where we needed, and I was looking out for seminaries that offered particularly leadership courses, and Asbury had a good program, some good professors, and it was a good community. And after my bachelor's, I just applied to Asbury and I landed here. I came here with a very limited view on Christianity and religion and about the church. But coming here, I think this place has helped me grow because of the community. It's helped me be more, think more in terms of Christ-like. And any decisions that we make, because coming from a business background, I think coming from that mindset into ministry, it kind of really challenged me in the first few months, and then later on with the professors and all the students here, I think it was just a learning experience. And spiritually, I've been growing. It's been a really good, healthy time here this past 4 years, and I think it just develops you into being a more evangelistic, being more mission-minded, being more Christ-centered. I think that's the area that have grown a lot. I lived in the dorms over here, and I've seen students, in the first semester, and then I see them now. There's a huge growth even in me, and the way we think, the way we see ministry, the way we want to approach people, the way we want to just have a general conversation. It's an overall development. It's an overall growth that's happening over here. You develop into a more Christ-centered human being. You develop more. You are more aware of other cultures. You're more aware about how other ethnicities think, and how they see Christianity, and how I would see Christianity. And you just bring it all in the class, and we're all growing together. But actually, the further I lived away from India, the more closer I went back to it. It was kind of a rubber band thing, the more you stretch, the more it comes back. So for me, I just want to head back home. I want to work with, I want to develop my own organization. I want to develop my own NGO that could, kind of help, how do I say it, help lead leadership, how to help, that would help, train pastors, to train people to be more effective as leaders, be more aware about the scripture basically, and, and reach out to people. And India is a big mission field, and we have a lot of growth in terms of missions and a lot of conversions. We have a huge rate, but there's no leadership. And I see that's the place where the church is lacking, is organizational leadership, into church leadership, and that's where I want to go and start my own organization and work in that area.